Have you ever felt like this? You want to do something great. You dream of success. You imagine a better and brighter life. But when the moment to take action comes, you delay it. You say, "I'll start tomorrow." If you've ever been full of dreams but short on action, then this story is for you. It might completely change the way you look at your life. My friends, listen closely. Once, in a quiet little village, surrounded by green fields, lived a young farmer named Ravi. He was strong, healthy, and full of dreams. Every evening he told his friends, "One day, I'll be the richest farmer in this village. My land will shine golden with crops, and people will come to me for advice." Everyone admired his ambition, but there was one problem. Ravi was lazy. When the sun rose and other farmers headed to their fields, Ravi stayed in bed. When men worked under the blazing sun, he sat in the shade, talking about his future. Even when women carried water from the well, he said, "I'll do it later." He loved to dream about success, but hated the hard work that success needed. One evening, Ravi's uncle, an old wise farmer, came to visit. He looked at Ravi's land and shook his head. The soil was rich, but nothing was growing. He said softly, "My son, why is your field empty? You talk about golden crops, but all I see is dry ground." Ravi laughed. "Uncle, don't worry. I'll start tomorrow. My field will be the best in the village." The old man sighed. He had heard that word tomorrow too many times. Then he took 2 small pouches from his pocket. Inside were 2 kinds of seeds. "These," he said, "are not ordinary seeds. They are magic seeds. The first one is the ambition seed. If you plant it and care for it every day, it will grow into a tree that gives fruit, shade, and success. The second one is the laziness seed. It grows fast, but its weeds will spread and destroy everything." He looked into Ravi's eyes. "Your future depends on which seed you choose to water." Ravi smiled confidently. "Of course, I'll plant the ambition seed." But the next morning he felt sleepy. "I'll do it tomorrow," he said again. Days turned into weeks. Out of boredom, he planted both seeds just to see what would happen. Then he forgot about them. Weeks later, Ravi finally went to his field and froze. The laziness seed had taken over. Wild weeds spread everywhere, choking the land. The ambition seed was tiny, weak, and almost dying. It had received no water, no care, no attention. His uncle returned, looked at the field and said, "Ravi, this field is your life. Ambition needs care and daily effort. Without it, it dies. But laziness, it grows on its own and destroys everything in its path." Tears filled Ravi's eyes. He finally understood. Dreams are easy, but without action, they fade away. That night, Ravi couldn't sleep. He thought about his wasted days and broken promises. "If I don't change now," he whispered, "laziness will rule me forever." The next morning before sunrise, he woke up. He went to the field and began pulling out the weeds with his bare hands. His back ached, his hands bled, but he didn't stop. He watered the ambition seed and cared for it daily. Days became months. Slowly, a strong green tree grew where weeds once ruled. It gave fruits, shade, and prosperity. And Ravi, he changed too. He became known as the farmer who defeated laziness. His story spread across the village, teaching everyone that dreams only live when you act on them. My friends, always remember, dreams alone can't change your life. Everyone dreams of success, but only a few wake up early to chase it. Ambition is like a seed. It needs your care, your time, and your daily effort to grow. If you ignore it even for a few days, it starts to die. Laziness, on the other hand, is like a weed. It doesn't need care. It grows fast, quietly destroying your energy, your focus, and your future. So stop saying tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes for those who keep waiting. Start today, even with small steps, even when it's hard. Because success doesn't come from talking, it comes from doing. And one day when you look back, you'll thank yourself for not giving up and for choosing action over excuses. If this video touched your heart or gave you even a little push to keep going, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your one share might be the reason someone doesn't give up today. Stay connected and keep watching for more motivational stories like this one.